Have you ever made a wish? Not a childhood wish, a real one. Something that resonates, that pushes you forward, even when it's difficult. Here, that's where we start. A burst of energy, a choice. The choice to think outside the box, to aim higher, for yourself and for others. It's not just a university, it's where it all starts. A place where time slows down, and where every moment matters. Here, the legacy is everywhere. Not to overwhelm you, but to elevate you. To remind you that you are not alone, that you are moving forward in solid footsteps. We all come from different places, but we feel at home. Dare, create, discover yourself. Here, ideas have no walls. Deep down, it's simple. It's an inspiration, a breath, an awakening. What if everything could start now? Discover RMC Saint-Jean. Your challenge, your dream, your future.